Hi everyone, today we're talking about 10 stocks to buy after this correction. There's a lot of stocks I could have put down on this list because pretty much every stock over the last couple of days has kind of took a massive hit on their share price and lost a lot of value. And if you have a lot of spare cash sitting around and you've been waiting for a while for this pullback to invest in some stocks, and it's a great time to be investing right now because they can't keep going down for too much longer than what they are. So at some point they're going to start bouncing back and you can get a good discount on some of the stocks. And we're just going to talk about 10 stocks that I've seen that are some of my favourites that I feel like there's a big discount on right now, and I'll give a quick few points on them and talk about them really briefly. I've tried to keep it a little bit diversified and not just done too many tech stocks. I've tried to put a bit of variety in, but the tech sector has been sold off massive thoughts, and I kind of cover the tech sector or the stock market quite heavy, so there's going to be quite a few tech stocks in there, but I'm sure they don't mind because they're quite popular ones anyway. So the 10 stocks I've chosen is number one is PayPal. This has been hit down massive. It's lost so much value over like all the value that it's gained over the last kind of couple of months. It's gone down absolutely huge. So there's a big opportunity to buy in PayPal and quite a few of the payment stocks. Another payment stock actually appears on this list. So the kind of all payment sector has been sold off, and normally when we have this kind of correction, the payment sector is normally one of the first ones to get hit quite heavy, and a bit of a telltale sign that the stock market is about to go down. Number two has been down for a long time, and that's Facebook. I don't know how long Facebook can carry on going down. I'll be shocked how much more it can go down because I thought it definitely can't go below the 150 mark in my opinion. The fundamentals and the growth side of it is amazing, so definitely a good opportunity for getting into Facebook. Number three, a little bit of a pullback. Boeing actually went up quite a bit recently, but it has been pulled back slightly over the last few days. So a really good company overall. One of my favourite stocks. That's why it's my number two positions in my portfolio. Number four, my favourite chip maker is Nvidia. I feel like this stock could end up at $300 per share by the end of the year. So for it to be around about the 230 mark right now is a great opportunity to be investing into it. Number five, like I said, the payment sector's kind of sold off big time. PayPal sold off, Visa sold off. I'm making a video about Square. Square sold off massively, and that's also because of some bad news. The reason why that's down so much, and MasterCard's down quite a bit as well. MasterCard, as recording this video, has pulled back slightly more than Visa, but still a good opportunities. Some people prefer Visa, some people prefer MasterCard to invest in. Both great stocks. Number six, the only time I've actually mentioned this stock as a buying opportunity is Amazon. On this channel, you know I talk about it quite a lot, and I slate it for being a little bit overvalued. And right now, it's definitely a good opportunity to buy in. It hit $1 billion market cap, and it got to $2,000 per share. And Amazon's down at the 1,700 range. And even though I still think it's maybe slightly a little bit overvalued, it's a great stock. It's a great company that's growing, and I don't feel like you'll get a better opportunity in the next 6 months to invest in Amazon as you do right now. It's at a massive discount, and you never see too many long pullbacks on Amazon. So yeah, it's a good opportunity to get in my opinion, right now, and I don't think I'll say that again. Seven, Google's been trading around the 1200 mark, I think, for like a good few months now, and it's come off that. So we might see that pull back even more slightly, but it's a good opportunity to get into Google. Great company overall. Eight, talk about it quite a lot. It's one of my favourite stocks, even though I don't invest into it, is Adobe. I think that got up to 270, now 280 share. And that's been pulled back to 240. Normally that's a stock which you can that kind of like gives you it's a stock that I like to use as like a warning forecast of whether the stock market's going to go up or down. It's normally the first stock to react to anything like that. Number nine is EA, Electronic Arts, the game maker. Activision, which is like its other competitor, has hardly been hit recently because of everything that's gone on. But EA has had a lot of bad news recently, and because of the last few days, it's come down even more. I've not seen EA like this for a while, so if you're wanting to get into a gaming stock, then that's probably one right now because it's on a massive discount. Number 10, Pepsi. Coke's been pulled back a little bit, but Pepsi has been pulled back a little bit more than that. So that's a good opportunity for you to get in if you want to get kind of coverage in the drink market, and also a dividend and quite a cheap stock overall. So that's an opportunity to get in. I know like quite a few people prefer Pepsi over Coke stock right now, so that's a good opportunity to buy in as well. So those are 10 stocks, guys. Any more, comment down below. There was quite a few I could have put in this video, to be honest with you. A lot of stocks sold off, but those are just 10 that I picked that I watch quite closely, and I think they're all kind of at a very good discount right now. So that's for the video for today, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe. I'll be doing a couple more videos this week, Monday to Friday like normal. So guys, give it a like, subscribe, and keep in tune for them videos that will be coming up on the channel.